Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Chrome's notification on laptop. So to do that, let's head over to our Google Chrome. So once you're there, head over to the three dots on the top right, and here scroll down and go to settings. And once you're there, just search for privacy and security. And in here, scroll down and you will find site settings. Head over there. And here you will find all the notifications you get and go to notifications. Now, if you want to customize your notifications you get from, just as you can see, there is not allowed and allowed sites. So if I just, if there is any site that is allowed, you can just make it not allowed by tapping the three dots and tap on allow or not allow. You can also add this one to allow by tapping on allow, or you can remove it. So you can also change it from sites can ask to send notifications. Yeah, there are three options. The first one is collapse all requests in the address bar, or collapse unwanted requests and expand all requests. So I've selected collapse unwanted requests. So it helps me with not getting the notification. So yeah, this is the settings you can do for not getting notification on your Chrome or laptop, or you can use it on your PC too. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.